I'm from BulletFunnel.com, and today I'm going to show you how you make your keywords in your either your Google Ads or Microsoft campaigns targeted so you can best reflect your copy with your product and with what people are searching for with the keywords, and to absolutely maximize your conversions. So there's no fluff, let's get right to it. So generally what you want to do is you want to have a specialized ad because certain products need to have specialized keywords so you can best personalize the ad copy to be more effective. And obviously the better ad copy you have, the higher the quality of clicks will be. You might have more clicks when you have more keywords that are just random fluff, but it's all about the quality of clicks. If you get, let's just say you have quality clicks, and I don't know, in every 5 clicks you get one sale. That's excellent. Whereas you could have more clicks, and every 20, 30, 50 clicks you have one sale. So it's all about the quality, and the best ad copy you have, the better quality you have. And generally what you want to do is, depending on the product, you want to make between 1 to 2 to 3 different campaigns, each around 5 to 10 highly targeted keywords, so you can best reflect your ad copy. The reason being is some keywords and some products, you need different campaigns to change the ad copy and to best optimize the keywords for your ad copy so you can get better conversions. So I'm gonna quickly show you the different keywords types here. So the first type is broad match. So this is where you have no special symbol. You just write, if you're trying to sell a dog kennel, you just write dog kennel. In this case, women's hats. So ads may show up in searches that contain misspellings, synonyms, related search, and other related variations. So example search will be buy ladies hats or women's clothing. This is all fine and dandy, and this is like the general one on Bing ads. But the problem is, if someone's searching for woman slaps another woman with a hat, that will come up on broad match. So people are going to see your ad. So you might get an impression, and your data is not going to be as accurate because you might get impressions. You might get 10 impressions of someone who's just trying to see women fight, and it has no real correlation to how good your ad copy is because your keyword is just showing some silliness. So bearing in mind, you got to be careful with broad match because, as the name suggests, it's very broad. Whereas broad match modifiers are a little bit more specialized, and you do this by doing a plus sign before the woman's hats. So as you can see, all the terms designated with a plus sign or close variations of those terms in any order. Additional words may appear before or between the terms. So this is women's scarves and hats, or women's hats for winter hats for women. So this is a lot more specialized. It's not going to be as broad as a broad match modifier. So this is the one you generally want to use. This, and in my opinion, phrase match. So phrase match is when you do the speech icon before and after, and it says match of this phrase a close variation phrase with additional words before and after. So in this case it'll be blue woman's hats or buy woman's hats. So if you're, for example, if your target keyword is a dog kennel, it will be blue dog kennel or black dog kennel or economical dog kennel or lavish dog kennel or what have you, waterproof dog kennel or something like that. So it's even more specialized. It'll just have words before and after the keyword. So generally, it's a lot more specialized. So if you're searching for women's hats, it's not going to be woman slaps another woman with a hat because that'll be in broad match. This is phrase match, so it's a lot more specified. An exact match is the most specified. So basically, if you search dog kennel, if your keyword is dog kennel and someone writes dog kennel, that's what's going to come up. The problem with doing this is I think you need a decent amount of data to really understand, okay, this is a keyword that's going to directly correlate with the ad I'm trying to sell. So if you're selling something on affiliate network, let's say ClickBank, and a popular one is just to say flat belly fix for losing weight, men and women, obviously your exact match would be the spaces in and out. It will be flat belly fix, because highly likely if someone's searching for flat belly fix, they know what it is, and then obviously they're going to see your ad and then they might buy it. So generally you reserve exact match for either keywords that give you impressions and lead conversions and sales, and give you clicks, or the name of the product you're trying to sell. So red tea, D-Dogs, flat belly fix, what have you. You know what I mean? So I'm going to show you the processes you're going to go through. So I highly recommend Neil Patel's fantastic free keyword tool. You can use this for finding new content for your website, finding blog article ideas, but in this case I'm using it to find keywords for this product. It's called Make Your Ex Back to free video presentation reveal secrets to getting your girlfriend back. So this is a good example because there's two different products, one for getting your boyfriend back and one for getting your girlfriend back. Obviously you want to split this into two different groups. Arguably you could do 3 groups. You could do girlfriend group 1, boyfriend group 2, and then ex group 3, and make it more specialized ex. So it's more when people are general writing how to get my ex back. But in this case, I'm only gonna do 2 to make it simpler. So this is, you know, video free presentation reveal secrets to getting your girlfriend back here. So, you know, I just searched a simple one, how to get my girlfriend back. So very simple, very general. So if you search it here and it's here, you know, you go Neil Patel, you search, not search a domain, you search, you know, how to get my girlfriend, crap, can't even spell, girlfriend back, search. And then obviously you want to go over to keyword ideas. And then here, yeah, so basically I'll tell you what these metrics is. Volume, this is the amount of searches that this particular keyword has had in a month. CPC is the average cost per click. So, you know, via Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, this is how much it costs, 68 cents per click. PT is paid difficulty, so how much he ranks the keyword if you're trying to acquire this keyword via paid traffic. So in this case, we're doing this. And SD is search engine optimization difficulty. So if you want to try and let's just say you want to sell the X Factor with your own website using search engine optimization, then you know he only ranks this keyword at 12 out of 100. So you know, it'll be really easy to rank for. So what we're gonna do is, you know, how to get my girlfriend back. I've already done it. So how to get your ex-girlfriend back from another idea. This is really good, guys, because what this does is this giving you ideas of what other people have already searched. So for example, like more people have searched how to get my girlfriend back than how to get ex-girlfriend back from another guy. And generally what you want to do with these sort of keywords is you want to stick with the reasonably high volume. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click that, how to get your girlfriend back after cheating. It's a bit of a sticky one. Obviously you get this one, how to get your girlfriend back after a breakup. This one, how to get her from back after the breakup, same how to get her from back after she cheated. Ooh, after 6 months, after Valentine's Day. Let's just say I want to copy all these, yeah? Copy the clipboard. So then what I want to do, head on over to here, I want to copy and paste it, boom. So what I think is generally the best, you know, you could do between 5 and 10 keywords. This one is reasonably a lot more difficult because it's very specific, you know, how to get my girlfriend back. You could say, I miss my girlfriend. But the problem with saying stuff like I miss my girlfriend is like you're not in, you want to like sell copy to someone, yeah, sell an ad when they have a want, not a need, a want. They might want to get, sorry, the other way around, when they have a need and not a want. So they might want to get their girlfriend back, but are they really needing to? But whereas it's good to, you know, someone who's searching how to get my girlfriend back, he or she is actively trying to solve their problem, you know. Whereas saying I miss my girlfriend is a lot more passive. Whereas, you know, these people are already active, they're already reasonably warm traffic because they're trying to rectify their issue, and it's a lot easier. Because what we're going to do with copywriting is basically you want to say, you know, this product, whether it's your product, whether it's affiliate whether it's someone else's product by affiliate marketing, this is the ease to all your issues. This is what you need. You do this, your problems will be solved. And this is what obviously the X factor, what I'm trying to sell to them. You understand? And like I said before, you want to have it, generally you want to have it a mix of phrase match modifiers, as you can see here. Sorry, phrase match, which is, you know, this icon, and broad match modifiers. You want to have a mix of that. So for example, I'm going to keep this, I'm going to make this exact because I think, you know, it's pretty spot on. Sorry, not that. Yeah, so this is an exact match. I think generally sometimes you want to do exact match. Had to get from back from another guy. So obviously give that space. How to get a girlfriend back after cheating. It's a bit of a sticky one, but you know, good luck, my guy. How to go from back after a breakup. You could broad match. You know, you could do how to get a girlfriend back after she cheated. You know, you could do plus. It could be, you know, if you do a plus one, it could be how to get your girlfriend back after I cheated or she cheated. And you gotta realize with paid advertising is, you know, this is all a learning curve. You know what I mean? You usually don't make money initially. This is all, you know, you're paying for the data that, you know, Bing ads or Google ads is going to give you. You understand? You know, the more time. So ex-girlfriend, addiction recovery, you know, generally you don't want to use Bing keyword suggestions. As you can see, they're pretty crappy. Like, you know, this is my the affiliate link I'm trying to sell, and they're, you know, showing me recovery software, X Factor UK, you know what I mean, ex girlfriend. This is a lot more specialized. You know, you want to use specialized keywords. I will show you later on in an alternative video how to use Keysearch. And Keysearch is a extremely good paid. You have to pay for this keyword tool, and if you follow the link via my bio in YouTube, you will get 20% off, and I highly recommend it. But in this video, I'm just going to show you the free online marketing tool. So what you want to do is obviously you want to save it. Boom, it's saved. The good thing about this is X Factor 1, yeah. So this is how to get my girlfriend back. So what the issue is now X Factor girls. So you always want to have two groups. Like all these little circles, they're different groups. You know what I mean? So these keywords that I put in X Factor, you know, for the how to get my girlfriend back, these will only relate to this campaign. The reason you have two campaigns is now you can make it more specialized. You know what I mean? So for example, this campaign is about how to get my boyfriend back. So obviously all I would do is going to be pretty similar, how to get my boyfriend back. And obviously, you know, the keywords are going to be more complicated than this. This is just very simple to just illustrate what I'm saying. So I had to get my girlfriend back. Sorry, let me just keyword. Okay. Obviously, it's only one ad group, my guy. So I'm gonna start this with broad match. How to get my boyfriend back. Yeah, okay. How to get my boyfriend back. You know, as you can see, it's more or less the same. So obviously, girlfriend. You know, the girls are a little bit more. You know, they want to get it back through text. They don't want to be hustling in real life. You know, girls, how to get your ex-girlfriend back first. How to get my boyfriend back. How do I get my boyfriend back? You can see, you know, it's pretty similar. How to get my ex-girlfriend back through text. How to get it back using, my man said, male psychology. Okay, women moving crazy. Like, problem with these ones is the search volume is very low. You know, 20 is almost nothing. Let me think of another one. Related. Let's have a look at related. After breakup, let me just quickly copy that. That's a good one still. 20 is not enough. Related. Questions. How? Ooh, questions is a good one still. How can you get my girlfriend back? How to get my boyfriend back after breakup? I cheated. How to get my boyfriend back fast. So it's kind of strange for this one. For example, this one has 10 volume and, you know, very, very expensive. Like, yeah, bearing in mind, it depends how much money you have. Like, if you're, you know, just starting out, being an entrepreneur, you don't really want to be paying for the expensive keywords. So, for example, like, look at this. How can you get your girlfriend? How can I get my ex-boyfriend back? Is 35 clicks on average, and this one's $1.22 for, you know, half the search volume. So, you know, you got to be careful with this. But as I said before, this is just a learning process. You know, this is just to understand the basics. So what you do, you know, as I said, you want to have a little bit of broad match modifiers. Slap a broad match. Slap a couple speech volumes in there. Make it phrase match. Slap another one. Slap another one. As you can see, they're all house. And this is, you know, these are not the best keywords for it. This is just a very general, quick, boom. Let me just find some keywords, you know, for this tutorial. So what you can do is save it. And obviously, as you can see, you know, broad, exact, broad, phrase, broad. You want to generally have it a bit of a match. I think, you know, you can see when a phrase works, like how to get my girlfriend back is, sorry, let me delete that because not the correct campaign for this one. So this is where the magic happens. You want to create an ad specifically for this copy. So boom, you want to create an ad. Bearing in mind, so this is a girlfriend, yeah. Select an ad group, obviously there's only one. So what you do, final, obviously I know this isn't the correct URL, but I'm just showing this in an example. So you'd write, you know, you make this specific. You can make it a lot more specific, and I'll go through more tutorials to make it specific. You could just write, you know, it's always good to have a how to answer question. So missing So this is, bearing in mind, this isn't what people are searching for. The keywords what you put down earlier, what people are searching for. This is what they're gonna see around here on Bing Ads or Google Ads is the another example. So this, everything I'm showing you is exactly the same. Google Ads, Bing Ads, it's exactly the same. So I could say missing your ex like mad, or missing your boyfriend, missing your boyfriend, missing your, pretty simple, isn't it? Can't stop thinking about your girlfriend, about your boyfriend, missing your boyfriend. So this is very simple, yeah. Mission. Learn how. So what you want to do generally, you want to phrase what the product is and the benefit of the product and how it can help them. So missing your boyfriend. Learn. Get the guide to get him back. Get the guide to get back. And generally you want to use the copy that's, generally you want to read their sales copy and get little tidbits. So, you can get her back. The rest of review my methods. Guarantee, 100% guarantee you could write X Factor today. I don't think you want to write the price in the ad copy. First of all, scientific method. Okay. Science method. Act fast. Act now. Act fast. Scientific method. Obviously, this copy is absolutely awful, innit? I'm just act fast. This is just trying to make me have some urgency. Scientific method. Act fast. And obviously here you would write the 60-day money back guarantee, blah, 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 blah. It's not really that relevant. But as you can see, someone's going to see missing your boyfriend, get the guide to getting back, scientific method, act now. And obviously this isn't too tailored to the keywords. The only difference between this and the other one I'd write is, obviously missing your boyfriend, get the guide to get him back, scientific method now. Or you could be, I could write crying about your boyfriend, or missing your boyfriend like mad. You can really cater it to the keywords and make it very specific. This is just extremely general, so I'm just going to write whatever in it just to save the ad. And as you can see here, it will be missing your girlfriend like mad. Act him out. So, sorry, not this, not this, not this. Learn how to get them back. Obviously what this would be is missing your boyfriend like mad. As you can see here, you would cater the ad copy depending on the keywords. You know what I mean? So obviously the keywords is girlfriend, you're right, missing your girlfriend. And yeah, so I hope I made you understand the different types of keywords and how you can best utilize them to really cater to your ad copy. Now, bearing in mind this ad copy is awful, I had to just write on the fly, but you would make it very, very specific, very, very specific. So for example, where you make it more niche is, just to say you're selling a way to make money online. Each different campaign, you would have one campaign, one campaign favored to, you're selling with someone, you want to make money online, so you would like, how to make money from your home, how to make money in your home fast, whatever, and there should be one campaign. Second campaign you could be how to make money abroad, how to make passive income when you're on a beach, or what have you, you know what I mean? And third one would be, I don't know, maybe just how to make money doing affiliate marketing, how to make money, chilling at home in your shorts. All these things are very related, but they're very, very different. They need very, very specific keywords. This one's a lot more general. So yeah, that was a quick tutorial. Well, not really that quick. Thank you so much for listening. Comment down below any questions about Bing ads or writing ad copy in general.